More laws Kuri former deputy president Rigathi Gachagua uria warikia kwamukira Igutha Inene kuma kuri igoti regarding shira uyu wake wa kesi eno ya impeachment that is yet to be had. A bench ya majaji matatu are marathikiriria shira ucio wige impeachment yake makoro makiruta way forward igituma Rigathi eterere kinyagia makiria na before tuhutie judgment iyo yaruto ni majaji Anthony Murima, Eric Ogola na Fred Mugambi ari hau kafere magikodro magiathana Kithure Kindiki to be sworn in as the new deputy president. Kenya ni makoro makiruta mawoni mao after what the judges have decided regarding Rigathi Gachagua impeachment case. Oyo wakiuga hii kesi ingeisha kitambo, lawyers ndio wali mislead to play delaying tactics by filing an appeal after the other. Na oyo wakiuga there was doubt on the three judges to handle the case. They refused to bow out with a reason to frustrate the justice. The three bench judge makoro mage push case eno challenging Gachagua impeachment to next year mwaka wa 2025. Makiuga petition will be heard January ya 23rd mwaka wa 2025. Koguo Gachagua will have to wait longer to know what his way forward is. Kuona igoti guthie na mbere na kudelay all these case Rigathi wa Gachagua is also delaying his political career. Kuona dakio ifio kana he will get a chance to vie on election ya 2027. Kuona once impeached with the case of Akina Sonko and Akina Baba Yao, things becomes a little bit hard to vie for a position, any position in the country. Nede toidia hira tukinyira goko gwa Kikuyu Community News. Make sure you turn on your notification or subscribe. Nego higoshio de okamo kira video shito tushamane na wa next one.